AMC Entertainment continues to do the best that it can possibly do as a business right now. And Adam Aron doesn't think that that's good enough. AMC Entertainment is breaking records week after week with Barbie and Oppenheimer and all of these new movies that are coming out. But Adam Aron says that that's not good enough. Guys, if the own CEO of the company that we love and own does not believe that the most successful weekends in succession can lead to AMC thriving as a business, something is wrong here. Either something is incredibly wrong, or he is money hungry. Now, I'm going to be talking about the last couple of things that Adam Aron said here. We're going to be going over the market value of AMC Entertainment and what would actually happen during a bankruptcy if that's the only path forward, because I'm beginning to think AMC probably should file bankruptcy instead of diluting their shareholders. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a pro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're earning 5% on your cash balances. Guys, 5% rewards, that's more than you're going to get at any bank, and you don't even have to buy a stock. If you don't want to invest or risk your money, you're still earning that 5% on cash. So make sure to check it out. I'm going to go through these tweets, and we're going to get into this because it's very interesting. And I may have shocked a lot of people by saying that maybe Adam Aron should file bankruptcy for AMC Entertainment. But you'll see it in a second here. If the dude has literally dug himself into such a deep hole that AMC hitting best weekend after best weekend after best weekend in a row, making money hand over fist that we have not done throughout history, if that's not going to allow AMC Entertainment to continue running as a business, it doesn't deserve to continue running as a business. The hole is too big at that point, and it is not your responsibility to bail Adam Aron out. Latest tweet says, 2 months ago, I tweeted that movies coming out in June, July, and August would be a huge boost for movie theaters. I was right. This dude loves patting himself on the back. Something weird about a person like that. And it is true again. Disney just gave us Haunted Mansion with a Rotten Tomatoes score of 85%. So many hit movies in our theaters right now. Go see them. Go spend your money, please. And buy concessions as well. Because that $10 popcorn, yeah, it's like what? Like 12 cents worth of popcorn for $10? Adam says, the phenomenon is continuing for another weekend. The world is turning out in huge numbers to watch Barbie and Oppenheimer in movie theaters. These are movies that are meant to be seen on the big screen. See what everybody else is seeing and talking about? Escape the summer heat and see a movie in our theaters tonight. This dude is a marketing guru, man. That's what his Twitter's for now. It's just marketing and making you go to the movie theaters. It sure feels fabulous to see our theaters are packed. Barbieheimer caused the busiest weekend in AMC in 4 years, both in the United States and in Europe. In the US, Saturday single-day numbers were the 5th highest ticket revenues and 2nd highest food and beverage revenues in AMC's 103-year history. Guys, AMC has never been doing better. Pre-pandemic levels, pre-lockdown lows, AMC has never been doing better than we are currently doing right now. This is such a hopeful sign for our eventual recovery ahead, but, in all caps, we should not let ourselves be confused by the euphoria arising from this weekend's huge box office, expecting doom and gloom, okay? Setting you back up to know that you're on the hook for running AMC Entertainment, not him. It is your responsibility to be diluted as an investor to pay for Adam Aron's $11 billion in debt and liabilities. Oh my gosh. Cash is very tight right now. Yeah, dude, $1.6 billion in cash is extremely tight. I don't know how he makes it. I don't know how he wakes up in the morning knowing that he's only got $1 billion cash to use. It's crazy, isn't it? All right. This is the shareholder letter that he gave to everybody on Twitter a couple days ago. AMC must be in a position. So I want to say this. I want to pat him. I want to let him pat himself on the back for a second. Along the way, I have done my utmost to be transparent with AMC shareholders, and I am doing so right now. His objective is to not let AMC fall into financial ruin. Yet he himself dug that hole so deep through those lockdowns that he can't get out, knowing that AMC is thriving right now. AMC must be in a position to raise equity capital. I repeat, to protect AMC's shareholder value over the long term, we must be able to raise equity capital. There is no alternative. Running a business will not work. Thriving with the best weekends AMC has ever had and the highest attendance rate and concession spends in history will not do it. Adam Aron, knowing that he has got the most support that AMC Entertainment has ever had, cannot run a successful business. He is admitting that right here. There is no other alternative. No amount of increase in revenue, no amount in decrease in costs can get AMC into the position that it needs to be in. The only way forward is diluting shareholders. And he says diluting shareholders. I hope you guys know that an equity raise is a synonym for diluting shareholders. It's not like that's not going to be a question. Once he's able to dilute, he will dilute. He states that right there. So what I said at the beginning of the video, AMC may be better off filing bankruptcy right now, and here's why. Okay, this sounds crazy. I know it does. You might be saying, well, shorts are going to be able to get out if AMC files bankruptcy. Yeah, shorts probably will get out if AMC files bankruptcy. If they're smart, they'll get out once the bankruptcy filing hits and AMC plummets in price. Shorts will also get out, but they will get out 10 times over if Adam Aron dilutes shareholders. Now let's talk about why. AMC right now is sitting on a market cap of about $2.4 billion. Let's say, and $2.4 billion in market cap, with nearly $11 billion in debt and liabilities that absolutely must be covered. Let's say that AMC stock went to zero in this situation. AMC goes to absolute zero. It's not going to. Idiots go out and buy bankrupt companies all the time. I mean, look at Bed Bath & Beyond going from 4 cents to like 40 cents in a matter of days. People will buy, and there will be opportunity to make money in AMC as people buy in. And I can't comprehend buying a bankrupt company, but nonetheless, they do it. AMC filing bankruptcy and the stock price going to zero. Retail investors, let's just assume that they own 100% of the company. They lose $2.4 billion. If Adam Aron is able to come out and Adam Aron is able to dilute AMC stock shareholders, it will be to the tune of $16 billion. That doesn't mean that AMC's market cap is going to go up. That means that you are going to be required to spend an additional $16 billion just to get AMC out of debt. $11 billion of which is going to go directly to the debt and liabilities, but the total dilution value of $16 billion will be bared by retail investors. So we've got an option here, right? A very real option that if you can't pay for your debts, it is bankruptcy. So the question becomes, does AMC and its retail investors, do retail investors want to potentially pay a maximum of $2.4 billion during a bankruptcy? AMC stock price goes down. Absolutely. I get that. It's a terrible thing. I know it is. But it's $2.4 billion in equity in market cap that AMC would lose, assuming that it went to zero. And we get out of the liabilities that are sitting at $11 billion right now. As bad as bankruptcy is, I would not condone bankruptcy to anybody. But in this situation, you're looking at retail investors losing a potential $2.4 billion and the debt being wiped free. Or do retail investors want to be on the hook to pay Adam Aaron's bills, because in the bankruptcy, right, those debtors, they are the ones that lose out. Equity might go down by $2 billion, yes, but during dilution and during Adam Aaron's plan, Adam Aaron continues to make hundreds of millions of dollars for himself. In Adam Aaron's plan, Adam Aaron raises billions of dollars for AMC Entertainment. Now, clearly, he has got his own agenda, and he has got his reasons for doing so. But I would rather see retail investors potentially bear a $2 billion loss than a $16 billion loss. If you truly believe that killing the short thesis is paying down debt, and you truly believe that they are not going to cover their short shares, I mean, think about the options that are being laid out right now in front of us. We either get diluted with a potential $16 billion to pay down Adam Aaron's, obligations, or a bankruptcy where we lose potentially the full market value of AMC Entertainment, and then it thrives afterwards, knowing that it is a debt-free company, and knowing that it is able to generate record revenues weekend after weekend. Look, I know it's hard to hear, but I cannot see Adam Aaron deceiving investors the way that he does almost on a daily basis. It absolutely breaks my heart to see this man, parading around as some sort of a savior. It is terrible to see that. Bankruptcies are real, and companies restructure all the time. It is not the end of the world if that happens. But if Adam Aaron, and just to summarize and sum this up here, if the short shares got out during a bankruptcy, okay, they get out. If Adam Aaron sells these shares and dilutes retail investors to the tune of $11 billion simply for debt coverage, and then another potential $5 billion to line his pockets with, I hope you know that he sells those directly to institutions, directly to the short shares, directly to the hedge funds. So they will absolutely be able to cover 10 times over in a dilution scenario than they would in any other bankruptcy scenario. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.